Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Talk and Do Physics. In today's lesson, we are going to dive into WIEC past questions objective 2021 number 13. This is one of the questions that poses a challenge to students because of the objectives options and students were unable, confused to choose the right answer. So that's why I leverage it to this platform to let you understand the right answer to this particular question. So pay attention. Let's use hands-on engagements and activities through pen and paper. While I'm using a chalkboard and a whiteboard and a marker. So let's dive into it. The acceleration of a moving object can be determined from the slope of a distance time graph. Is it correct? B, area under a distance time graph. C, slope of a velocity time graph. Area under its velocity. All these things they are asking you. First and foremost, this is distance, this is distance. Distance has nothing to do with the definition of acceleration. The only distance has something to do with the definition of speed and velocity. So they are talking about the acceleration, objects moving, the object moving. So this is distance, and this is slope of its velocity, and this is the area. So this one, distance is already condemned. Under the area, distance is already condemned. And let's check out these two. Which one is correct? Yes, this one. Are you saying that one is correct? Well, let us dive into it to see if it is correct. Now, we said the acceleration is the rate of change of velocity with time. And that's where we have uniform acceleration. So now we dive into the slope. For instance, we have the time t, example. Let's look at the example. We have the time t in second and we have the velocity in meter per second. And this we have a car accelerates 1 second in a 5 meter per second. 1 second in 5 meter per second. The car now accelerates 2 seconds in 10 meter per second. The car now accelerates 3 seconds in 15 meters per second. The car now accelerates 4 seconds in what? 20 meters per second. The car finally accelerates, arrive at the final velocity with what? 5 seconds under what? 25 meters per second. Now they are asking you, what we need to do now is here, we are going to plot a graph of velocity proportional to time, directly proportional to time. Velocity is directly proportional to time. We now say this is, you indicate this is v and this is t, and you sometimes call this y and this is x at the same time. So we now say what is the highest number of the velocity? 25, 25. What is the next one? 20. What is the next one? 15. What is the next one? 10. The last one is what? 5. And what is the number of time it accelerates? The highest one is what? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. So we now say when the time was 1 second, the velocity, the acceleration accelerates at what? 5 meters per second. You tap here. When it was 2 seconds, it was what? 10 meters per second. Very good. When it was 15, it was 3. Very good. When it was 20, it was what? When it was 20, it was 4. Very good. When it was 25, it was 5. That is very good. So you look at it. You now draw this line here. Now draw it to meet up to enter here. That is the straight line graph. You all know that velocity time graph is a straight line graph. So we now say pick a point from here. You can call this v1, this velocity. You can choose a point that you want to calculate the slope. You can pick it from here. When you pick it from there, you now have v1 minus v2 all over t1 minus t2. So you can now choose v1 to be 25, that is the highest number, minus from where you choose to calculate the slope is here. So it is at 10, right? Very good. So it is at 10. So we now have 25 minus 10 all over. Where do you choose to have the x-axis of the time? 2 here. Very good. You choose 2. 2 and 5. So we now have 2 minus 5. So we now have, this gives us what? This gives us 10. 25 minus 10 gives us 15. Am I correct? Very good. So now 15, 2 minus give us minus 3. So this gives us what? 3 cancel is a 1 into this 5. So you can use minus to cancel minus here, so that minus will go. So that is 5. So the slope is what? 5. So when you have that as 5, and you can look at here, the interval is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So this shows that as you calculate the slope of its velocity time graph, because acceleration has to do with the velocity. I was just trying to use a number to illustrate a velocity times graph. So as you are watching me, remember to click share at the bottom below, subscribe. This will interest me to do more interesting videos. So now the answer is what? C, the slope of its velocity time graph. This is the velocity time graph. As you are watching me, remember to click. And remember that WAEC, you leverage it from 5 years past questions ago. Like this is 2021. I know one of these will come to your objective. So actually, you need to solve it and pay attention to my videos and watch it, subscribe it, and share it. I have it in my academy. So you can go log into my academy so that you can get the videos, watch it, and use it to solve WAEC physics past questions. Thank you.